Every day starts with a plan, until a support worker becomes unexpectedly unavailable. Suddenly, schedulers must balance care needs, skills, and timing, all at once. Schedtris is an AI scheduling assistant designed to support fast, confident decisions. Made by Gadali, powered by the latest Microsoft AI and cloud technologies. Schedulers simply ask questions in plain language directly within Microsoft Copilot. Schedtris evaluates workforce availability, qualifications, location, and continuity of care, then recommends the best options. Every recommendation is transparent, and every decision remains firmly in human hands. Disruptions are resolved faster, pressure is reduced, and clients receive consistent, high-quality care. Schedtris, smarter scheduling when it matters most. Made by Gadali. Visit gadali.com to learn more.